Now, a leaker has shared a paper of schematics from China's Beidou which shows the design and measurements of the 6.7-inch iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now, there are some things you need to know about that. The schematic is in line with the previously leaked schematics and dummy unit images. So according to this leak, the iPhone 14 Pro Max will be 78.78mm wide. So that means the iPhone 14 Pro Max is going to be wider. But by how much if you compare it with the iPhone 13 Pro Max? Well, the iPhone 13 Pro Max is 78.1mm wide. So that means it will be quite a bit wide. Now, another design aspect that will likely change is the thickness. The iPhone 13 Pro Max is 7.65mm thick, excluding the camera bump. Now the iPhone 14 Pro Max will be 7.85mm thick. Is it really that thick? Well, it will be certainly thick. So that means a little better battery life, probably. But with the camera bump, it will be 12.02mm thick. And that actually aligns with earlier reports that says the camera bump would increase in thickness from 3.6mm to 4.18mm. Whether that will look good or beastly, well, that's up to you. What makes it exciting is that Apple is going to use a high-resolution 48-megapixel camera on the iPhone 14 Pro Max as a main camera. That is a big of an upgrade. Now, as for the height of the phone, well, that will not change as much. It is 160.7mm compared to 160.8mm of the iPhone 13 Pro Max, so you will not be able to notice that. Also, in this image, we can see the eye cutout for the selfie camera and the Face ID system, which will replace the notch. Now, that can be a good thing, that can be a bad thing, depending on who you are and how you look at it. I mean, you tell me in the comment section below whether you like the peel chip cutout over the notch or you think that notch was better. But I think the eye cutout is an illusion, but it's a good illusion. I like it. The 6.1-inch iPhone 14 Pro is also expected to have a similar design, and the 6.1-inch iPhone 14 and 6.7-inch iPhone 14 Max/iPhone 14 Plus, on the other hand, will stick with the notch, the same kind of notch as the iPhone 13 series, and will also have almost the same look as the iPhone 13. You will not be able to differentiate them as much. And also, definitely it will not get that 48 megapixel main sensor. No, not at all. Now, one camera they will all have an improvement in is the selfie camera. Well, all the phones in the lineup will have a new selfie camera made by LG Innotek. This new sensor is gonna be a much better sensor, but we don't have any infos on that. We know that it's a costly sensor and that's it. And the reports also says that the only premium models will get the A16 Bionic, which is still gonna be a 5nm chip, second generation maybe, according to Apple. And if you're thinking like this is for this year only, no. It's actually going to happen every single year. The standard models are going to be quite a bit behind the Pro models every single year from now on. Now, Apple is expected to reveal the iPhone 14 range on September 13th, and we have to wait till then for everything. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you really excited about the iPhone 14 series, or are you really excited about only the iPhone 14 Pro series? Because the 14s are going to be almost the 13. Hey, I will take few seconds to introduce you my latest wallpaper pack, A8. These are insanely sharp, beautiful and high-resolution 8K wallpapers made for desktops, laptops, tablets and your smartphones. You can visit the link in the description to check out. And yeah, you can also subscribe to my website for exclusive discounts. Or simply, you just can visit my website joindavid.com for latest tech news that matter. Until the next one, bye and take care.